Hi guys, just thought I'd show you some great new software I found called Meteor Master AI by a great developer called Liao. Chinese, I think. Available in the Microsoft Store. Yeah, so it lets you process single videos and multiple videos. And there's a very good settings section. And it's all in English at least. Because when I first downloaded it, it was all in Chinese, but once you pay the $26 Aussie, you get full English stuff. Lots of options for connecting to different cameras and doing live streams and live detection. So yeah, it's good. So normally you just load up a single video, like we're doing here, and then it's quite easy to sort of start going once you've set up your parameters, which is even they're pretty easy. It's very quick, although I've got a pretty good gaming computer with a 4060 graphics card and a nice Ryzen chip CPU. So here's some settings I'll just overview for you. Pity about the spelling, but I'm sure you'll fix that later. Whoops. So it uses multi-threading, which is really good. There's a lot of live stream stuff I'm not bothering with. Of course, there's a really good filtering system, which I haven't played with yet, but it is open to errors if you accidentally enable it. Here I'm disabling it because if you enable it accidentally and got the wrong parameters, you end up seeing basically no results, as you're about to see here. Or you might see the difference now where I've actually decided to deactivate the filter, which then will bring up results as it scans. Very quick. If you look at the top right, you can see the progress bar flying along on a 30-minute video. Processes video at about 30 times speed. Shows you the detections. You can preview them very quickly. Again, caveat, you have to have a pretty good computer, I think. Although my computer costs $1,400, it's not too bad in the scheme of things. And yeah, it highlights everything really quickly, really well, lets you scroll through, go backwards. You can even zoom in if you want. Yeah, it's pretty snazzy. I'm really impressed. Excellent. As soon as I tested the basic freeware demo and found out it worked okay on my computer, my second computer, the good computer, I bought it. It kept bombing on my son's old laptop because it's a potato. So yeah, you can see the highlights of the actual detections in the main top screen, and you can highlight any one you want to process as an actual exported video. So here, that's what I'm doing. I'm clicking on the stars at the top, turning them orange. Once you do that, you can tell it to export the group of videos, and even that process is lightning quick. It's snazzy. Really pleased with it. Just get a good vibe from this developer. Everything's pretty, bulletproof. Pardon the pun. The data here. There's some data visualizers. You can look at the different sizes and counts of your meteors. If you've got a lot, lucky you. And here, you can click on the little dots to discover where your little detections are. It's easy to export the video, and you can even use your graphics card to speed things up and export all of those videos, those individual detections, as a single video. So it saves a lot of time. Very quick, and so far I haven't found many false detections. Most of the detections are meteors, although once I was finding a few detections to be satellites. So as I say, I haven't played with the filtering settings. That's what I think needs a bit of fiddling with to eliminate some of the false detections. But yeah, it's pretty quick, intuitive, easy, and effective. some good demos there. Now we're just going to go through. You can sit back and look at the detections I did from back on the 6th of May, the Meteorids. Small, but they're really good that it was able to detect these just so quickly and easily. Ooh, it was a big event. Oh, there's a rooster going off there. We do have chickens. Oh, that's good. Of course, it's so much better when you're outside and in a dark sky, seeing it with your naked eye. It's fantastic. But saves getting cold. Yeah, so a lot of these detections you wouldn't bother with normally. They're so small and they'd be very hard to detect manually. So it really is a great piece of software to really capture how many you're getting a night. And we get quite a few up here or down here in Tamalu, Victoria, Border 2, Border 1 skies, depending on how bright the lights are down at Shepparton. But yeah, it's not bad.